Sometimes the greatest transformation comes not from power, but from a quiet heart that chooses humility, service, and courage. November 27th is the feast of Saint Acharius, a gentle yet powerful bishop whose influence shaped the future of Belgic Gaul. He was born into a noble Burgundian family around the end of the 6th century. Acharius felt a deep calling to God, despite his early years pointing towards a life of privilege. He entered the Abbey of Luxeuil, one of the most influential monastic centers of the time, where he studied under Abbot Eustace. Among his classmates was Ottomar, the future Saint Omer. At Luxeuil, Acharius embraced a life of prayer, discipline, and service. His humility and wisdom became so evident that in 627 AD, he was chosen to become Bishop of Dornic and Noyon, in the region now spanning France and Belgium. Bishop Acharius became an advisor to King Clothar II, offering calm guidance during turbulent times. He played a crucial role in the spiritual renewal of Belgic Gaul, supporting missionaries and encouraging the foundation of monasteries that would become centers of learning and charity. One of his closest collaborators was Saint Amandus, a bold missionary who challenged King Dagobert I. When Amandus was banished, Acharius used all the influence he had, along with Saint Ottomar and Saint Eligius, to help restore peace and bring Amandus back. Acharius then sent him to preach in the region of Tournai, a decision that changed countless lives. Despite his position and influence, Acharius remained a shepherd at heart. He visited the poor, comforted the sick, and quietly provided for anyone in need. He built monasteries not for prestige, but to create places where people could find peace, prayer, and community. On March 14th, 642 AD, at about 70 years old, Saint Acharius returned to God. His people mourned him deeply, and devotion to him began almost immediately. He would be remembered as a healer of hearts, a defender of the poor, and a bishop whose gentleness carried extraordinary strength. Saint Acharius, pray for us and help us walk with the same humility, courage, and love.